Hi, welcome to Informatica support videos. My name is Ebenezer and I'm going to discuss a small feature that is useful and helpful to users in the ILM UI. The title of this video is Job Auto Refresh Status, and we're going to take a look at this right now. So every job that runs in the ILM UI has got an auto refresh feature. By default, this time that is taken to refresh the job status is 20 seconds. This is an optional field, so if the job is running, this radio button can be checked on and off for that particular job. However, if it's not checked on, the job will not refresh, and you have to go and click the menu item to view the jobs page again. However, if you click it, the page keeps refreshing itself every 20 seconds. Not only does it refresh the job status, but it also actually loads the log files also with plenty of information about all the jobs. So the advantage of this feature being you get to see the latest status of the job without actually having to go through the menu item. But again, at the same time, if you have a job that you know is going to run like for a couple of hours or even more than a couple of hours, like an archive job that is going to archive approximately a few millions or billions of rows, then obviously it's going to take a lot of time. So auto refresh job feature for every 20 seconds may result in extraneous log statements written to the log file, the page being loaded each time, and not actually useful to the feature, so useful to the user. At that point of time, you might actually want to configure it to refresh every 1 hour or probably every X amount of minutes or seconds or hours. So let's take a look at and see how we can do that. You go to administration and then you go to system profile, and then you see this field called job auto refresh time period in seconds. So by default, as you can see, this is 20 seconds over here. That's the time it takes. You can change it to 60 seconds or whatever time you want, and then you can click on save, and then it takes that amount of time. And then when you go back to job and then check on monitor jobs page, you can see that each job that is running here has a feature here called auto refresh job status. And when you select this, obviously this is enabled for a job that is in running status. The time it takes to refresh each interval it takes to refresh each job is dictated by the seconds that you gave in the system profile configuration page. So this is a small feature that could be useful, especially for jobs that are running for a long time and you do not really want to put unnecessary statements in the log files, and you do not want to refresh, putting a burden on the server also each and every time. So this could be a quite a little bit useful feature. Hope it's going to be useful for you. Any feedback you want to give, kindly send it to supportvideos@informatica.com, or you can use the handle infosupport on Twitter to send us the feedback. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.